This video demonstrated the branch management feature under Management. A medium to large-scale business usually has a head office and branches. Tiles ERP enables businesses to manage both officially. To add a new branch, click on Add New Branch. Enter the branch name and branch address and save. All of Tiles ERP features are available by default for the Edit branch. User can access any branch from the top banner at any time. User can also be restricted to single branch in User Management option. To edit a branch name and address, click on the blue Edit button on the left. To delete a branch, click on the red Delete button on the right. Branch that has transactions cannot be deleted. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.